Okay, thank you for stopping by, guys. We have a 2018 BMW X1 i28. This one is a twin turbo. And guys, if you're doing the thermostat housing, I don't think they have much out there. I'm just gonna show you a breakdown. This is the thermostat housing, and this is how it comes, guys. It's out already. This is the new one. And guys, you gotta take out the bumper and pull the radiator, and you could get it in here, guys. That's where it's located. That's where the thermostat housing is, guys. Below the alternator, in between the thing, guys. So you could just pull back this a little bit, guys. Check it with something. Make sure you're not damaging anything, because these wires are very brittle. And this hose line, you gotta be careful taking off these wire, guys. I can't pay more attention to this. You take out the bumper, take out the crash bar in the front, and then you could bend this forward or side. You don't probably have to take this out, guys, but you have to disconnect the AC, because pulling this bar forward, the AC line cannot move. So we can't get the line go forward because of the other line that is there. So we have to take out this line. But all the AC gonna be coming out, guys. So yeah, so guys, that's the location right here. Get 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 4 or 5. I think 4 bolts. Guys, you make sure you clean the housing properly before you put it back in. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You take out the bumper, and then you could take out the radiator, guys. There's a lot of work, so I'm just trying to make it kind of simple for me. You take off the horns here with holding with the number 13 bolts for the bar. So you take this off, 1 bolt, and then it comes right off with this one. And guys, yeah, you just pull it forward a little bit, get something to check it. Guys, don't use nothing aggressive. I just used the jack there and pry it over a little bit. I didn't have a piece of wood, but that's where the housing is, guys. And this is a 2018 BMW X1 with a 4-cylinder, not diesel, 4-cylinder engine with twin turbo. So this is what it looks like. So this is the cover here. Twin power turbo. So, and the BMW. So guys, if this helped you anyway, you just disconnect where you gotta disconnect. Pretty basic, but you gotta take your time, guys. Don't just disconnecting and damage stuff. So, and that's where the housing is, guys. Thermostat housing. And as you can see, this was leaking a little bit because it's building up pressure. It's probably stuck closed. So guys, this is what it is. It's not a complete housing like the other BMW have the whole complete ones like this one. So guys, don't order this one because it's not the right one for this one. So somebody ordered this one too. This one is for the electrical pump. This goes onto the electrical pump. So this one probably have electrical pump, but it don't. This thermostat is separately. This one is for one with heavy electrical pump, but it's gonna be underneath, access from underneath. So, all right, guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. This is how you change the thermostat on a BMW X1 i28 with a twin turbo. Yeah, guys, so if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if this helped you anyway, thank you for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. I'm out.